Today, the most important challenge faced by each one of us is mental strength or mental health. In order to pursue career, ambition, corporate life, etc., we somewhere somehow neglected our most important faculty, that is our thinking. If now I ask you not to think about an elephant, what thought or picture comes into your mind? An elephant, correct? So that's the way mind works. If you tell your mind not to think about a certain thing, it will keep on thinking about it, consciously or unconsciously. Because mind is a protective mechanism. To think negative thoughts, we don't have to take any effort. But to think positive, constructive, we have to take conscious and spatial effort. Not understanding this, many of us are thinking about the things which we don't want. That's why we create the thoughts of fear, anxiety, lack, etc. And that's why the mind works on creating similar situations or feelings within our body. We have amazing things to perceive the things. And all our perceptions are our experiences. And the life is all about the flow of experiences. Whatever we keep thinking consistently, that creates an impression in our subconscious mind. And whatever we repeatedly deposit in subconscious mind, that subconscious mind creates in our external world as a situation, event, or as an act, as a reaction towards our thinking. That's why thinking is so important. We have to think, what am I thinking? Are we thinking what we don't want? Or we have to consciously think about what we want in our life. Joseph Murphy, in his best-selling book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, says that you can change your destiny based on thoughts or your beliefs, as well as your ideas and the images you see in your studio of your mind consistently. That's why people say you create your own destiny. Whatever thoughts we consistently deposit in our mind is very important, because whatever happens is a reaction to what seeds we have already planted in terms of our thoughts. Einstein said, at whatever level of thinking we created the problem, we cannot solve the problem at the same level of thinking. To solve the problem, we first need to change our thinking. So that is most important aspect. In case we are getting the same repeated situation or experiences in our life, and which are not according to what we want in our life, then the remedy is to look inside, look within, and change our thinking pattern consciously. How we can do it? That can be done by observation, by detachment, and then consciously changing the thought pattern. By doing that, we can create destiny or create future for ourselves as well as for the society.